Hello, my hair lover. Welcome to another episode of our wig transformation series. In this episode, this is the hair we'll be working with. This is a black double drawn bob wig, not a bone straight, just a normal budget hair. So we are going to transform this hair from looking this way to giving us a bone straight vibe. So how do we do that? You want to know? You need to see it, watch, and relax so you can learn a lot in this video. You have a bob wig, this video is for you. You have a short black straight wig, this video is for you. You know how we do it? First thing is adding our heat protectant spray. Then after that, we are going to blow dry the hair. We are going to blow it out with our hand dryer alongside with our brush to brush it as we are blowing. So after we do that, you know what we do next is to section the hair. You cannot start without sectioning. Is to section the hair, and working with a bob wig is always kind of little bit difficult, but I found a hack to that, which I explained in my previous episode of the piano wig we styled. So if you haven't seen it, you should go and watch that. So I started from the bottom. Obviously, where do we want to start from, right? We always start from the bottom when styling. So while straightening the hair, you can notice I was bending my straightener. I wasn't pointing it straight. I wasn't pointing it up. I was pointing it downward. This is because we are doing a bob. So it has to curve inward. It has to curve inside. It has to be bobbed. So when you are straightening your hair, you should position your hand that way. It's not that when you are done with everything, you will now start packing the whole bottom of the hair that you want to bob. No, it doesn't work that way. Your bob should start from the beginning. You should start from scratch, just like this. As you are straightening, you are curving it inward. That is how you achieve a perfect bob. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So I'm just going to keep doing this, going section by section, taking it bit by bit. Do not rush yourself when styling your hair. Just do it slow and steady, and you're going to get a perfect result. So I'm just going to go in slow and steady section by section until I get to the closure part. So I'll just allow you guys to sit, grab your popcorn, watch this video. Do not go anywhere. So watch this video till we get to the closure part and see what next we are going to do. And while you're watching, don't forget to click on the like button, like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that immediately. Click on the subscribe button, and also do let me know what you feel about hair styling in the comment section. Do let me know your challenges. Do let me know. Just talk to me in the comment section. I'll be right there waiting for your comments. Okay? And guys, do you see this hair? Take a look at this hair. You see it's coming together, right? It's giving bone straight, it's giving luxury. Yeah, it's the technique I use when straightening. In my other episode, I explained how you are going to handle your straightener when straightening, and the techniques you are going to use while straightening. I don't know if I should explain to you guys here again, or just allow you to go and watch that one. Should I not? I don't know. I think you guys should have to go and watch that video. So after watching, you can tell me in the comment section you are coming from here. You are coming from the episode 5. So now we are at the closure part. The closure is so small and tiny, and it's just a complete different texture from the hair, but we have to work on it like that. And after straightening the closure and laying it flat with the rest of the hair, I'm just going to go in with my hair mousse. If you've been watching my channel by now, you should know hair mousse is inevitable in my styling. Look at how it flattened the closure. Even without hot comb, the closure is flattened already. That is the power of hair mousse. smooth. I don't even need to use any hot comb and it is good to go. Take a look at this hair. See how bouncy, how beautiful, how gorgeous it is. Like, look at the strand, so beautiful. And with that being said, we've come to the end of this episode and see you on another episode. Before I go, if you have any question, if you have any suggestion, please feel free. The comment section is open for you. All right, I'll be there to reply all messages. Bye.